Now, I'll be real, the name nuclear flask is in no way doing these things justice. When people hear the word flask, we usually think of, like glass, like a little jar that you use in a laboratory or something. That is in no way what this thing is. These crates, which again is kind of underselling it, weigh 50 tons each and have solid metal walls over a foot thick. Even their lids are reinforced with 16 industrial bolts holding them in place. These things are designed specifically so that once something goes inside, it ain't coming back out again. These flasks aren't necessarily used to transport spent liquid waste that you may be thinking of when you think of toxic nuclear waste. No, in this case, they were used to transport the fuel rods. Fuel rods are a critical component of nuclear reactors, but every so often they need to be replaced. The old ones, which can't be used anymore, are naturally super duper radioactive and can't just be, again, thrown anywhere. They need to be stored and they need to be transported, hence why the nuclear flask exists, to safely transport these fuel rods without, exposing everyone to horrific radioactive side effects like third arm. But this is where the concern comes. When transport these flasks. Now, radioactivity and radiation in the temperature that was most today, it was no different back then. Nuclear radiation is something that can't be but in reality, radiation as a whole is a great way of scientific. It's a lot of different kinds, and not all of it is necessarily dangerous. I mean, even with radiation from the sun, which I'm pretty sure most of us are well adapted to. Think of those videos where the nuclear bomb reactor, like the radiation gamma rays and things like that. The stuff that can impact small bombs. And again, these flasks are used to know as well as your fuel. And we're worried about the integrity of these flasks. It already came out that some radiation does escape from these flasks, even as well built as they are. Now, to be fair, the concern was relatively moot, because the complaint was that, well, when a freight train passes by the station while I'm standing out, waiting for my train, see, fractions of a fraction from the train passing by is not anywhere near the amount you get from standing out of the sun on that same platform that same day